Pak, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Tafia Gundiandra. Today I will tell you about business in digital era. Along with the rapid development of technology in this modern era, all sector in all aspect of our life are affected. The business world is not exception as one of the crucial fields and has important role in society. Business is also transforming following the digitalization pattern. Another reason that also encourage business people to take digital steps is the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, which inevitably has made us limited by barriers in our activity. Technological sophistication is a solution that helps producer and consumer to interact with each other. Business is an effort made by individuals or organizations to produce products or service to meet human needs with a profit motive. In general, business activities can be divided into four, namely extractive or taken from nature such as mining, agriculture or cultivation such as agriculture and animal husband industry, or manufacturing in the form of processing raw material into further materials, and the last service is the form of service such as trade, transportation, and banking. Digital marketing is not a magic stick that can change the situation instantly, but a tool that needs to be used optimally to get maximum result. The people behind the marketing are the key players who play an important role. In this case, we must be prepared to burn money and face the various risks that are. To build to build maximum digital marketing, the frameworks used are funnel marketing, which consists of five stages, namely awareness, consideration, conversion, loyalty, and advocacy. Awareness is the initial stage of consumers getting to know the products, then followed by considerations, which is the process of deciding whether to buy a product, usually through various consideration and comparisons with other products. The third is conversion. Then the buying and selling process finally occurs and consumer make transaction. The last two stage, namely loyalty and advocacy, occur after the sale or after sales. Both of these depend on the consumer's personal experience in using the product. So let me introduce my product. The name is GuessUp. GuessUp is my product is application for like a healthy application. It seems like HelloDoc, I think. Okay, let's see my product. Okay, this is the design. Let's stay. Okay, let's see my product. Let's click. In my product, accompanied by professional doctor and integrate doctors. I chose sync up because receive what? Okay. In my home or my home application, you can this is your profile, and this is my your last location. My last location, like last location is in Jakarta in Indonesia. In this search bar, you can search like your doctor or hospital, medicine, and vaccine. Like this, my product is offered like if you want some professional doctor, you can click this. Okay, see. Consult a doctor anytime do you want. Okay, and see this the NB note. Don't forget to do what the doctor suggested. Okay, this is the doctor, and all the doctor in here is actually a specialist in their major. Like if you have a toothache, you can go to the dentist, uh, or if your heart is hurt or something, you can go to heart specialist or heart checkup. And If your kid or your child have something wrong in their body, you can search in kid specialist. Okay, if I click, it seems like this. This is the name of the doctor, and this is the price if you book this doctor. This is the specialist, like heart specialist. This the place. This the location of this doctor, and this doctor has service until 500 more patient, and the experience is until 3 years. You can see the review is 3 years. Working time, and this is the working time on this doctor every day. So this doctor is working every day at morning 8 a.m. until 10 p.m. This is the time if you want to book this doctor, and this the schedule. If you like this doctor, you can click like, or if you don't like, you can click unlike again. If you want to book like a Friday, you can say at 1 o'clock and get appointment. Okay, so there's a bar. Thanks, don't forget to check your schedule. This doctor is already in your schedule. Okay, let's get back. Now we move to medicine. My products also offer the medicine too. If you're sick, but you can go to anywhere, you can use my application to buy my medicine. Like this medicine store, how you feel today? You can search your medicine like Sunmol, Imbus, paracetamol, oxygen. If I use Sunmol like this, okay, let's search. Okay, this is the name. This is the picture of the medicine. This is the name of medicine, and this the inside of this medicine, like for capsule. This is the price of this medicine, and this is the information from this medicine. This is like Sunmol is a medicine to relieve fever and pain, including menstrual pain or toothache. Paracetamol or acetaminophen is available as tablets, syrups, drops, suppositories, and infusion. This is the composition. Each tablet contains paracetamol 500 milligram. This is the user instruction. The medicine can be taken before or after meals. Paracetamol should not be given to people who are hypersensitive or allergic to paracetamol. Patient with severe liver dysfunction. This is the side effect of this medicine. And this three type of my medicine, like capsule, syrup, antibiotic. Okay, let's get back. Now we move to hospital. So my product is offer hospital too. Like if you don't know the name of the hospital, you can see you can search in my application. There's good good hospital, and the hospital is best best as the what is name specialist. Like Siloam Hospital is best as good as cancer, because Siloam Hospital is offered the cancer specialist. If I touch this is the picture of the Siloam Hospital, and this is the location is in Mejen Sungkono Street, Kediri City. This is the number one. This is the rating of this hospital, and this hospital is service like mammography, cancer, MECT, that is MCU, and any other. This is the location. If you want to make appointment, you can click this. After that, the hospital is on your schedule. Okay. Now let's move to the map. This map is what is name give us information in near our location, like we in here. See the map says you're in the safe zone, right? Because we are in the green zone. A situation when a person is comfortable with a situation, everything has been accomplished, and condition have stable. Comfort is what generally makes people resolution to leave this zone. You can search this map like safe zone, red zone, danger zone. and if you click, the danger zone is will give you information. This a black zone in Jakarta. Okay, let's back. And now let's move to vaccine. So if someone of you doesn't get or doesn't have a vaccine, you can see the vaccine composition in here, or the information like CoronaVac, Sinovac, or CoronaVac or Sinovac. CoronaVac, also known as the Sinovac COVID-19 vaccine, is inactive virus COVID-19 vaccine developed by the Chinese company Sinovac Biotech. This is the dose, or yes, this is dose, and this recommended by WHO, and this is trusted 100%. And you can search this vaccine at Rumah Sakit Hermina, Siloam Hospital, EMC, and what is this? Oh, Darmais Hospital. Okay, there's a CoronaVac, AstraZeneca, Pfizer, Sinopharm, and the other. Okay, let's back. So let's move to the chat. So this is the last chat that you said to your doctor, like this. But you can, so in this application you can chat the doctor too, like this. Good morning, can I help you? I want to ask about my symptoms. My symptoms: pain or itching sensation in the throat, pain that gets worse when swallowing or speaking, difficulty swallowing, pain and swollen glands in the neck or jaw. As the doctor said, as the characteristic of the symptoms you convey, they are symptoms of inflammation. You don't have to panic with drinking medicine, and don't drink cold drinks, and with enough rest, you will recover quickly. And thank you. Like that. The example. So move to see our schedule. So this is our schedule. Like before, I am making a schedule with Dr. Yayat. You can search in Friday too, or Wednesday. You can search like this. This is the history you have been met by the doctor. Okay, go back home. The last is your profile. This is the profile information, like your name, your email, your number phone, and your personality. Like, I had a cancer, diabetes, and cholesterol, but now I want my disease never get back to come again. This is the diagnosis of this body, and you can see your medicine schedule. Like, you must to drink vitamin C, dexamethasone, habatus sauda in morning, and afternoon you must to drink dexamethasone and habatus sauda. In evening, you must to drink for medicine. Back. This is your payment. Your balance is in here, and you have been pay Dr. Yusuf, Dr. Nuzula, and the medicine in here. You can see. This is the safe doctor, like the doctor have been your like, and this is the your medicine stock. Okay, I think that's all for my product. The last word I say is wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.